Welcome to the Ethical Hacker Pro course. In this course, we're going to cover all the information included in the TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro exam and the Certified Ethical Hacker exam. Now, before we go any further, it's important that you understand the prerequisites for this course. Although there are no official prerequisites, we've created this course with the expectation that you already know a few things. First, you should know what a network is and how it functions. You should also understand IP addressing, subnetting, DNS, and DHCP, as well as basic security practices. The purpose of this course is to allow students and IT professionals to move into the cybersecurity field. To do that, we'll cover the 5 phases of ethical hacking. First, we'll cover reconnaissance, also known as the preparatory phase. This is where the hacker gathers information about a target before launching an attack. This task is completed in phases prior to exploiting system vulnerabilities. Then we'll discuss scanning. In the scanning phase, the hacker identifies a quick way to gain access to the network and look for information. Next is the gaining access phase. Hackers gain access to the system, applications, and network, and escalates their user privileges to take control of systems. After that, we'll look at how to maintain access. This is where the hacker keeps accessing the organization's systems to launch additional attacks on the network. Then we'll discuss how to cover your tracks. After the hacker gains access, they cover their tracks to avoid being detected by security personnel. LabSim provides several features designed to help you learn and retain ethical hacking skills. Each section provides you with videos and demonstrations that teach you how to perform necessary tasks. Text lessons help reinforce the concepts taught in the videos, and interactive hands-on labs let you practice the skills you've learned. Within each section, you'll find practice questions to test your knowledge. At the end of the course, you'll find both the TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro Certification Practice Exam and the Certified Ethical Hacker Practice Exams. These tests help you prepare for certification. Consider using the exams as a pre-test at the beginning of the course to determine how much you already know. Then, as a post-test, retake the exams at the end of the course to see how much you've learned. You can also test your knowledge by taking the domain exams. The domain exams divide test questions up according to the domain objectives in the certification exams. It's another way to practice and reinforce computing concepts. Now, let's talk about your certification because that's really the goal of this course, to provide you with the information you need to become an industry-certified ethical hacker. Certification is important in 2 ways if you plan to have a career in the cybersecurity industry. First, it gives employers critical information they need to make hiring decisions. Second, it gives you an edge in the job application process because employers look for certifications. This course meets the specifications for 2 different industry certification programs, the TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro certification and the EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker. The TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro certification measures how much you know and what you can do. The Ethical Hacker Pro certification validates that you have the equivalent knowledge of 2 years of work experience in the cybersecurity field or training leading up to this course. TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro focuses on the basics of penetration testing and ethical hacking. It also helps the student be aware of network attack strategies and common countermeasures. It prepares students to use various testing tools to analyze networks for vulnerabilities. Knowledge of these vulnerabilities also helps students understand how to counter these vulnerabilities and improve network security. In addition, the TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro Cert takes things a step further by emphasizing real-world job skills. To get your Ethical Hacker Pro certification, you won't answer a bunch of multiple-choice questions. You'll perform real-world tasks in a simulated environment. The Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, is a qualification obtained from the EC Council. EC Council states that a certified ethical hacker is a skilled professional who understands and knows how to look for weaknesses and vulnerabilities in target systems, and uses the same knowledge and tools as a malicious hacker, but in a lawful and legitimate manner to assess the security posture of a target system. This knowledge is assessed by answering multiple-choice questions regarding various ethical hacking techniques and tools. The code for the current CEH exam is 312-50. To take the exam, a candidate must have 2 years of work experience in the information security domain and pay a $100 fee with their application. The current cost of the exam is $1,199 if it's taken at a Pearson VUE Test Center, or $950 if it's taken through EC Council. This exam fee is in addition to the $100 application fee. For the latest requirements, check the EC Council website. So, as you can see, the CEH exam works hand-in-hand with the TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro certification. The CEH exam uses multiple-choice questions to assess knowledge, and TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro uses simulations to test what you can do. With this introduction in mind, it's time to start learning about ethical hacking.